Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can check your storage on OneDrive, so let's get right into it. OneDrive is Microsoft's own proprietary cloud storage service on which you can upload your files, you can make backups of them for safekeeping, you can create new files such as Word documents or other text files, edit them in the service as well, and so on and so forth. It is very similar to services such as Google Drive, pretty much another cloud storage service, and all the logic behind it is pretty much the same. Now, to check your storage, you can actually look through the files that you have, and you can see how much memory you have left. Since if you use it as a free user or as a user in general, your memory will be capped to a certain point, with the maximum, I think, for one user on OneDrive being 1 terabyte. Now, to check the amount of storage you have left and your max storage, just if you're on your web browser like I am, check in the bottom left, as you can see where it says storage, and as you can see I have 0.01 gigabyte used of 5 gigabytes. Since I'm free, I only have 5 gigabytes, and that is pretty much it. However, if you would like to check your files, you can just go to my files and just browse through the files that you have and just see what you have, see how much memory it takes up. As you can see, this PDF takes 1.10 megabytes and so on and so forth. But that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.